Well, guys, I've been busy at my summer day job. My collaboration buddy, Sam, has been really busy. He made another add-on. He's got a few more he made, but I'm going to debut this one real quick. This is meant for the text editor if you're working with Python scripts or anything you want in the text editor. This will install as a regular add-on. It's called Text Editor Minimap. Now, inside of the actual workspace here, you can pull out the side panel and you'll see a number of controls. Number one, you'll have a margin control, so you can control that. The font size, this one's huge for me because sometimes I'm wearing my contacts, sometimes I'm wearing my glasses, and to just be able to pull the scale up for the font size is priceless. Thank you, SKD Sam. He's on Blender Market, by the way, if you guys want to check out his page. Formerly known as now Superhive Market. He's got a lot of really cool functional add-ons. You'll see over here on Superhive Market where SKD Sam's page is. He's got the stack animation add-on. Just did a tutorial on that not too long ago. The isometric room generator, same thing. The key capture, collection compactor, which is very powerful. GIF Maker, which I kind of equate to probably one of the most powerful add-ons that we have, like the IES add-on. The Maze Maker, which is superb. The text theme you'll see is going to be a little bit different. That's more broad for the actual UI in Blender. And then the to-do, or the it has a list or a Kanban style to-do. It's super cool, and you'll never forget a project if you use it. Now, this is good. You could hide the minimap or you can show it right here. The minimap width can be changed. The background for the minimap can change as well. So if you need this to look a little bit bigger, you can. The viewport, you can have that color change. Also, the size of that inside the minimap, the text size, very, very cool. And then, of course, you can reset everything back to default if you get it too crazy. This will be on Patreon. I'm going to do a early release for my subscribers, and then anybody else who wants it, it will be available tomorrow on Patreon for my general free subscribers. I appreciate you guys, and if you want more updates, add-ons, and a whole list of different functional operators that are built into add-ons, then come check out the Patreon. We got a lot of things like the IES add-on. We're very proud of that one. You can put in IES Lite with a single click with the manufacturer's folders built right in. It comes with a lot of files right away. The IES add-on will come with around 170 lights, and you'll find it on Blender Market right now, discounted like crazy. It was $18.50. Now it's $4. You guys can go pick that up if you want. It helps support Sam and I so we can further develop add-ons for you guys. And as Blender changes, we can adapt and make things more functional for everybody. I'll see you guys in the next one.